Franci here for Sunny Studio Stamps, and today we're going to make an interactive Christmas card. First of all, I created a card base out of some white cardstock, and then I cut out a coordinated panel out of this beautiful green paper that I chose from the Dot and Stripes Jewel Tone 6x6 paper set, and I die cut it with these sliding window dies. I cut out a piece of blue cardstock that's 3 by 4 inches and then some white snowy hills using the Woodland Borders dies. Finally, I also cut out a piece of white cardstock that is 3 1/4 by 5 inches. Here I am starting with my scene background, and I'm going to embellish my blue panel with the new Nouveau Embellishment Mousse, and this is in the shade in the color Snowstorm, and I'm going to create a snowy effect using the Foley Snow stencil by Simon's Stamp. So I am securing down my panel to the back of my stencil using some purple tape, and then I'm going to apply the mousse with this tool I found at my local craft store. This mousse is new to me, and this is one of the first time I'm trying it, and it's easy to spread across the stencil, and you can see it's hard in its container, but it smooths out easily onto the stencil, and I found it very easy and fun to use. I am trying to spread it evenly across my background, and then of course I will collect the excess from the stencil and I will put it back into its jar so that I can use it next time. I am going to remove my stencil and clean all my supplies, and then I will put my panel aside to dry, and this will not take long at all. I stamped my image from the Sledding Critter set onto some white cardstock using Memento Black ink. I let it aside to dry, and then I'm coloring it with my Copic markers. At the beginning of the coloring clip, I collected all the markers I chose to color so you can take a screenshot and see them exactly. I used warm grays and light browns for my critters and the sled, and then I went for some traditional reds and greens for a traditional Christmas look. This image is so cute, and I love all the critters dashing through the snow with Christmas presents. They are adorable. As I'm finished with my coloring, I will cut this image out with its coordinated dies out of camera, and then I am going to add lots and lots of details to all my cuties using a white gel pen. Then it's time to assemble my card, and for that I'm starting by gluing down my white panel behind the green die-cut one using some double-sided tape. It's important to put the adhesive just on the little flap at the bottom and secure it down the panel as I showed you, because it's the only way to make the mechanism work perfectly. Now I am going to temporarily place the panel I just assembled onto the front of my card and trace with a pencil the part of the front of my card base that shows through the window. I'll use this as a guide to stamp my sentiment on the front of my card, and I choose the "May the season be full of light and laughter for you and your family" from the Inside Greetings Holiday set. Then I am also adding some little snowflakes from this Sledding Critter set, and I stamp them with some Kitty Pool ink by Lanfan. As I'm done with all my stamping, I can easily erase the pencil mark with my eraser, and then I can glue my card together. I am using some runner tape, and I'm putting it on the back 3 sides of my green panel, far away from the panel, the white one that needs to be able to move freely. Once my panel is glued down to my card, I am going to test the sliding window mechanism again, and then I'm going to decorate the front of my card. I am going to use some runner tape to adhere all the elements down, and I want them to be glued down just to the half bottom part of the green panel. First of all, I am adhering down my snowy background, and the snow effect in real life is amazing. I love it. Then I am adjusting the sizes of my snowy eel and glue them down too, along with a little stripe of the same green pattern paper at the top of my background. Then I will add my image with foam adhesive and just a little red heart at the top of my white panel. I am so super happy about how this card turned out, and I love the interactive element about this. I hope you're now inspired to create something festive too, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you very soon with another cute project. Have a lovely day. Bye!